Welcome back. I know it's been a while, and I have to admit I haven't touched the car in over a month due to different things, mostly working on preparing ourselves for our upcoming trip overseas. I have a product I wanted to show off a little bit, another one from the guys over at Illuminati Carbon Fiber. Check this out. There you have it, the carbon fiber factory center console. Boy, does it look good. I went back and forth on doing something totally custom, but in the end I knew I wanted to kind of stick close to original, and this is what I decided on. This is the same company that provided the carbon door panels for the Z that you saw in the previous video, and this is also the same mold used in the Z from SEMA, D Nickel on Instagram. And the piece looks great. These guys are kind of up and coming and wanted me to take the time to show off the craftsmanship of the piece. And there you have it. Very impressed with the layout. I did have them not cut out the shifter hole here for me, because I'm pretty sure my hole is going to be situated toward the back. Might land even back here, might land in here. But with the CD009, I know that shifter sits even super far back, even with the adapter on there, so I had them hold off on cutting out the hole there. So I will be cutting that out with the Dremel, but yeah, the piece looks good. Like I said, these guys are trying to get into the Z community and promote their products, because I'm sure they want to help us out and make some of these cool carbon parts. They're doing an awesome job. So nothing too crazy to show off here, but I just wanted to get some quick clips of the console and show you guys what Illuminati has put together. Let me go ahead and set it in the car. So there's kind of a rough idea of where it's going to sit in the car. It's pretty good fitment there. Yeah, so like I said, nothing too crazy. I literally just wanted to show off that center console to you guys, because those guys, like I said, are really excited to get those out to us, and they're solid pieces from what I can tell. I mean, the craftsmanship is on point. The molds, you know, they seem great, and I think they're working on all carbon interior plastics now too, so keep an eye out for those. So I'll link the center console product and their website in the description, but yeah, keep an eye out for updates. You know, sometimes we go fast, sometimes we go slow on this car, but eventually we'll get her done. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one.